Welcome back to the Transform Your Mind to Transform Your Life, the podcast. I'm your host, Myrna Young, and today I want to introduce to you the theme for February. And the theme for February is going to be longevity and optimal aging. So I have some guests lined up for you this month, and I want to introduce them to you, and hopefully that you will bookmark and want to come back and listen to what they have to say. Because, listen, optimal aging and longevity should be top of your mind. It is top of mind, and it is top to all the baby boomers out there and even the millennials, because whatever you do today is what affects you 20 years from now. So if you're older, a baby boomer, or if you're a millennial, you still need to make longevity and optimal aging your focus. So, have you ever wondered why some people grow stronger with age while others feel like they're slowly shrinking? Why some people wake up energized, mentally sharp, hopeful about the future, while others feel tired and inflamed and foggy and afraid of what's coming next. What happens if aging didn't mean decline? I think we were sold a bill of goods that, as you get older, I mean, I heard a statistic that after you turn 65, you've got one good year left. These are things that people have pre-programmed into you, but we know 90-year-olds that are running marathons, so it is not true, right? So, what if the second half of your life could actually be your healthiest? Where intention goes, energy flows. And it's your clearest and it's your most powerful. You seen Oprah lately? She's 72 years old and looking better and feeling better than she did when she was in her 30s and 40s. It can happen. So, welcome again to the Transform Your Mind podcast, the show that helps you renew your mind, heal your heart, and transform your life. And once again, I'm your host, Myrna Young. So, why did I choose this theme? Why now? Because we live in a world where stress is high, trauma is coming, toxins are everywhere, and many women are carrying decades of emotional and physical wear and tear. But here's what science is finally confirming: your body is designed to heal, your cells are designed to regenerate. Just look at what happens when you get a cut. And your future is not determined by your past. Longevity is not about chasing youth. It's about protecting your energy, your brain, your heart, your hormones, your immune system, and your sense of purpose. You have to have a purpose. You have to get up every day with a purpose. That is why you feel tired if you're not purposeful. I will tell you that what I do now in my 60s has energized me because I love what I do. I love learning. I love bringing you this content that will help you transform your mind and definitely transform your life. So, it's all about becoming stronger with time, not smaller, not weaker, right? So, we're going to explore what really fuels health at the cellular level, what quietly drains it, and how you can take back control of your body, your vitality, and your future. So, starting up the lineup is Dr. Nathan S. Bryan. I will tell you, I've been using his products, and this is responsible for my youthful glow. I've been putting it on my face. I've been drinking it. I've been using the lozenges, and it is a fantastic product. So, what is Dr. Nathan S. Bryan talking about? He is the leading expert on nitric oxide, a tiny module that plays a massive role in your blood flow, your heart health, your brain function, metabolism, and of course, longevity. He'll be breaking down why nitric oxide declines as we age, because again, most of these supplements are things that our body produces. But as you get older, it gets less and less. So we've got to supplement, right? And how, when nitric oxide declines, how it affects our circulation, energy, and inflammation. The building block of chronic diseases is inflammation, and the connection between nitric oxide and cardiovascular health, and what you can do naturally to support your body's production of it. Even though it wanes, we can do something to stimulate production as well as take supplements. So, if you've been struggling with fatigue, brain fog, high blood pressure, or slow recovery, this conversation is going to be eye opening. All right. Number two, my guest is Dr. Toni Engram, who's going to challenge the way we think about oral health. That's been in the news recently about fluoride and about all the, fluoride in our water, fluoride in our toothpaste, things like that. And Dr. Toni is going to break that down. Most people separate mouth from the rest of their body, but Dr. Engram says it's a costly mistake. So she'll be talking about the hidden connection between oral health and systemic disease, while fluoride and mercury deserve closer scrutiny. How toxins in the mouth can affect inflammation and immunity, and the simple steps you can take to protect both your smile and your overall health. Because longevity isn't about just supplements and exercise, it's about what's quietly impacting your body every single day. So she's going to answer the question that, JFK has been talking about. Is fluoride good for you, or is it bad for you? Okay, so make sure you tune into that. And number three is Harry Massey. I was totally blown away by this interview, and I have changed some of my daily habits in order from this conversation, right? So, Harry Massey is a pioneer in bioenergetics and biochemistry, and he helps people understand how energy really flows through your body. We are energetic beings. We are this mass that we see. It is just an illusion, right? We're all energy. And the more energy and the more quality of energy we have in our body, the better our lives. I was just listening to Tony Robbins over the weekend, and he was talking about how energy, just not even to the cellular level, the energy that you have for anything affects your marriage. If you've got low energy, even though if you love your husband or wife, then your relationship is going to decline because you don't have any energy, right? If you don't have any energy, your work declines. If you don't have any energy, your health declines because you don't want to go exercise. Energy is the foundation of anything that you be successful. But Harry Massey is going to talk about how energy in your cells optimize, going all the way down to the cellular level, to the atomic level. And it's an amazing conversation. He's going to unpack why so many people feel chronically depleted, what cellular energy actually means, how biochemistry influences mood, resilience, and aging, and how you can begin unlocking your body's energy code. That's what I love. And if you've ever said, I shouldn't be this tired, this episode is for you. So, we're talking here about the mind body connection, right? Which is why If you transform your mind, you transform your body, you transform your health, you transform your life. You transform, transform, transform. It all starts with the mind. So here's what I love about this lineup. Each of these conversations point to the same truth. Longevity isn't just physical, it's biochemical, it is emotional, it is neurological, it is spiritual. Your thoughts influence your hormones, your stress affects your inflammation, your unresolved trauma impacts your immune system. I've been talking about that on this show for a long time. Your trauma is in your tissues, right? And your immune system. So optimal aging means learning how to care for your whole self, your body, your mind, and your soul. And that's exactly what we're committed to do here on the Transform Your Mind podcast. So be sure you're subscribed, turn on notifications, share this series with a sister, friend, mother, daughter, anyone who wants to age with strength, clarity, and confidence. And I want to know, what does longevity mean to you? Is it energy? Is it mobility? Is it mental sharpness? Is it freedom? Is it playing with your grandchildren? Starting something new at 60 or 70? I want to know. Let's try to make this interactive, right? Leave a comment on YouTube. Write a review on iTunes or Spotify or Podchaser in any of the places that you're hearing this podcast on. And give me some feedback, whether what you think about longevity, what you think about my guests, what you think about the content, anything. Feedback is good. So, in closing, February is about protecting instead of reacting. It's about choosing vitality over fear. It's about honoring the body God give you and learning to have stewardship as well. Now, hey, stewardship is not just about money. It's what you do with the body that God give you, because it doesn't last forever. You can make it last longer, but it doesn't last forever. And if you're going to be a good steward of your body and your health and your mind, then there's certain things that you got to do, right? So I can't wait to hear these powerful conversations. So until next time, I want to thank you for tuning in to the Transform Your Mind podcast. So I want to encourage you to renew your mind, heal your heart, transform your life. As we sign off, this is Myrna Young, and this is the Transform Your Mind podcast. Namaste.